Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're comparing Youcam Perfect and Dall E2. Both of them use AI, but one is made for polished selfies while the other creates wild, original artwork. Which one should you use to level up your finance content? Let's find out. Let's start with ease of use. Youcam Perfect is beginner friendly and has instant edits, while Dall E2 just uses simple prompts, but requires creativity. When we look at AI tools, Youcam Perfect has retouch, beautify, and background removal, while Dall E2 has AI image generation from text descriptions. Next, price. Youcam Perfect has a free plan plus low-cost premium plan, while Dall E2 has pay-per-credit model and is more expensive. Next, who or what are they best for? Youcam Perfect is best for LinkedIn photos, branding selfies, and professional polish, while Dall E2 is best for custom finance, visuals, and marketing graphics. If we look at their speed, Youcam Perfect is lightning fast, it has lightning fast edits, and Dall E2 has slower edits, and it depends on generation and prompts. Lastly, output style. Youcam Perfect gives you clean, professional, realistic output, while Dall E2 gives you Dall E2 gives you unique, creative, and sometimes surreal results. So in conclusion, Youcam Perfect is the go-to for quick, polished headshots and professional branding, while Dall E2 is a creative powerhouse, letting you generate original financial visuals and add graphics and even wild futuristic concepts, though it takes more time and costs extra credits. So if you need professional polish fast, pick Youcam Perfect. But if you want standout AI art for your finance brand, then Dall E2 is your tool. Which side are you on? Drop your choice in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more smart comparisons.